second preliminary round, second leg fixture, CAF Champions League fixture against the joining Galaxy. We are joined by the home team head coach, Coach Riveiro. Welcome, sir. Coach, it's already the second leg. We've had the first. We've paid joining away already. Just your thoughts going into the match tomorrow.
Good afternoon. It's a very important game for us. It goes without saying. We have in front of us a unique, huge opportunity to go to the group stages. One of the objectives of the season. So everything is set already. It's a massive opportunity for us, and we need to be, and we are ready to offer a solid performance, to consolidate the result that we got 1 week ago, to do everything in order to win the match, understanding that, like I said, and I expressed already many different occasions, it's going to be complicated. We're talking about a really good team, well-organized team, a team that is difficult to play against. So one more time, we need our best version tomorrow to make sure that we can find ourselves in the group stage.
Thank you, Coach.